Guys, I'm looking at micro Nasdaq. We have a rejection on these lows here. However, on the 1 minute chart, we are below the 200 EMA. I have multiple rejections here at this level, and so I'll be putting my sell stop here. Once again, this is micro Nasdaq, two contracts. Going to look at the 5 minute chart as well. 5 minute. Seeing a lot of range, a lot of chop. I am looking to go short. However, I'm looking for shorts, seeing that price is currently below the 200 EMA. Just got triggered into that short position. I'm going to put my stop loss above these highs, and I'm going to be looking to target these lows here around 1867. Sellers are coming into the market. I like that candlestick on the 1 minute chart, a big bearish candle. Once again, I'm keeping my eye on the 200 EMA. If price is below the 200 EMA, I'm looking for sales. If price is above, I'm looking for buy opportunities. We had a rejection of this zone here where we rejected 1, 2, 3 times, failed to go higher. We had left with a wick, and then sellers came into the market to take over and drive price lower. Okay, price is going lower. We had our break and retest. I'm going to move my stop loss into profit, making this a risk-free trade. I want to see what price is going to do when it gets back down to 867, where I have this white line, this horizontal line marked here, back at previous lows where price has failed to break. Have selling volume coming into the market. Switch over to the 5 minute chart. As you can see, we have heavy structure, a strong support here on the 5 minute chart. We failed to break around 868 last time. I want to see a break of here and possibly retest here at 834. Move my stop loss further into profit. And now I just sit and let play. Now I just sit and let the play trade out. And it's easy. And that'll be my setup for the day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.